Namaskar. India Meteorological Department brings you Delhi weather briefing. Highlights of the Delhi weather briefing are that two intense western disturbances are going to impact northwest India, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, and West UP during next 4 to 5 days. And in view of these western disturbances, there is no likelihood of cold wave conditions during next 1 week, and temperatures are likely to remain above normal to appreciably above normal from 4th January onwards over the plains of North India. Currently, the western disturbance, which is going to affect plains of northwest India, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan from tomorrow evening, that western disturbance now currently runs as a trough roughly along 50-degree longitude to the north of 30-degree latitude, and this is going to move eastwards, and it has already started impacting Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, and it is likely to start affecting plains of northwest India, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and West UP from tomorrow evening onwards. If you look into weather observed during past 24 hours, then isolated heavy rainfall has been observed over Rameswaram district of South Tamil Nadu, 10 centimeter rainfall, and there is no other significant rainfall over the entire country. And we had also given isolated heavy rainfall warning for Tamil Nadu for yesterday. And from today onwards, there is no major intense rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu and adjoining areas. Now, if the main significant weather which is going to come is due to this intense western disturbance, which is going to affect plains of northwest India from tomorrow, and under under its influence, there is likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall over the lower reaches and over the higher reaches of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, and Himachal Pradesh. There is likelihood of uh, uh, over Jammu Kashmir, there is likelihood of heavy to very heavy rainfall and snowfall on 5th of January, and there is likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall and snowfall likelihood over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 5th of January. Over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, there is also likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall, snowfall on 4th of January as well. And on 5th of January, this western disturbance is going to bring intense severe weather, and that weather is going to will achieve its peak on 5th of January, when there is likelihood of hailstorm activity, isolated hailstorm activity over entire Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and adjoining areas of West UP and West Madhya Pradesh. On 6th of January, this intense severe weather activity would decrease, and thereafter again and other in quick succession another western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from the night of 6th of January, under the influence of which there is likelihood of again isolated heavy rainfall, snowfall over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad on 7th of January, and on 8th of January over entire all three subdivisions, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, isolated heavy rainfall, snowfall probability is there for 8th of January. And on 7th and 8th of January, there would be intense activity again over Punjab, Haryana, West UP, Rajasthan, and also Madhya Pradesh on 7th and 8th of January. And then this western disturbance, it will even after that, it will have a certain impact over these plain areas, because this western disturbance is likely to persist uh, during subsequent 3-4 days after it's approaching over the northwest India on 7th of January. So that's all for today. uh, so during next 1 week, there is from 4th of January onwards up to 8th or 9th of January, during 5-6 day period, there is a likelihood of light to moderate rainfall, and Also, isolated heavy falls over the Himalayan region and hailstorm activity with the maximum activity on 5th of January and 8th of January. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with the Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 1 week. Thank you and goodbye.